Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. This is our segment Ask Lousje. Welcome, lovelies. Well, here we are. It's a very snowy Sunday and I am excited to sit on my couch with my little fluffy pooch and my lovely coffee, espresso, and talking to you. This segment that we did, the first two were a great success. We got a lot of questions and you lovelies love it. So we are excited about that, and that will really inspire us to do some really good segments. So we got some great questions. I had to laugh when I read this question. This question is from Laura. She wrote, advice for women, and she wrote between brackets, it's me, who save their clothes for good. So, okay, this is a really good topic for me because I wear all my clothes all the time. Of course, in different ways, right? You have to adjust. But also, lovelies, our lifestyle has changed from our mothers who used to keep their Sunday dress and coat in the closet for Sundays, or, you know, Christmas dress and Easter dress and things like that. They didn't wear every day. But our lifestyle has changed, and so has clothing. It's not nearly as dressy as when our mothers bought dresses for Sunday. We did some photo shoot with the amazing Crisa dresses and jackets that landed in the boutique, and I showed you 3 ways to wear it. I wore the Crisa dress, Mother of the Bride groom dress we call it. It's in the silk, pleated silk cotton fabric. It's a soft gray. And I'm wearing it with a little jacket. I put in this gorgeous Ayala bar necklace, the liquid metal bracelet. It's absolutely gorgeous, very glam, and a beautiful silver Siska earrings, and some strappy sandals. And I'm ready for a summer wedding. I could have added a Love's Pure Light scarf, but I chose to just show you the outfit the way it is. Then I changed and I wore the dress with my jeans jacket and a really funky Ayala bar necklace with some red and orange in it. I put on my red sandals. On the jeans jacket there's a boutonniere, and we are very low. I think we have 2 or 3 left. I love making them. I make them from leftover scrappy fabrics, and we've got some really neat buttons. It pins on with a little safety pin, and it's just a little pop on your jeans jacket. So keep your eyes out if you're interested. I give a lot of them away at Christmas and birthdays. My girlfriends all have one, and it's just a little extra little funky thing on your jeans jacket. And Joanna Lovett earrings, a Sericlio ring, and a Sericlio bracelet. And I'm ready to go anywhere, grocery shopping, pick up kids from school, you name it, go for a drink with your friend on a patio. So then I changed. I have on a white camisole and the Crisa's jacket, and a pair of blue jeans, the Gia Gliders, a little cuffed. And I kept on the same jewelry, the Ayala bar necklace, the earrings and the bracelet from Sericlio. Also equally casual and fantastic and comfortable. So these are 2 pieces that you can shine at the gala event in, and also then you separate them and you wear them year long. So do not keep your clothes for good. Life is too short. So please take my advice and start experimenting. And find a festive little jacket and wear it with your jeans or a casual skirt. So great question, a great question. So the Crisas that we got in for this spring summer, amazing outfits, casual but beautiful for casual weddings. If you missed our videos on it, you can go back on YouTube and find. A little bit about my outfit now. I'm wearing the Rachel skinnies, lots of stretch, I love them, little cuff. Lousje and Bean long tank, extra small, and the boxy top, I call them foxy boxies, and I love this color green with an amazing scarf, of course, from Sydney, Love's Pure Light, and this stunning eye-popping necklace. And then I found a Siska bracelet with the magenta in it. Clear earrings. So I'm feeling very well put together. I'm cozy and love this outfit for a wintry day. So next question. The next question is from Karen. Any tips on organizing our wardrobe and getting the most out of it? So the first point is that it's personal preference, right? Tessa and I coordinate our wardrobes by jackets, pants, tops, dresses, jumpers, things like that. So the color scheme is all over the place. I have friends who do it by color. They do cream, reddish, you know, you get the point, right? Blue, hue, green. And if you go on Pinterest, actually there's a lot of tips, but I cannot really advise you because it's personal. It's whatever works best for you. I also always take out my summer clothes and bring in my winter clothes because I need things simplistic, otherwise my little brain gets all convoluted and I get overwhelmed. Whatever your preference is, play with it a little bit maybe and go on Pinterest and you might find your preference. I have found an amazing way of remembering a great outfit. You know, lovely, so often we wear an outfit and we feel pretty good. We look in the mirror, we say, wow, you know, I'm looking pretty snazzy today. Then you go out and you get compliments and it's like, whoa, okay. You put it back and 2 weeks later you think, oh, I like to wear that outfit again. It might be 3 different pieces, it might be a scarf, jewelry, shoes, it's the whole package. You cannot remember, I can't, what were all the components. So what I advise you is to take a picture of yourself. You can do it like this, you can do it in a mirror, and then you will take it on your phone and then you will put it, you make an album. It's your own personal lookbook. You put all your pictures of you looking like a hottie patati and you put it all in your lookbook. And so you've got it every time you think, what should I wear today? Ta-da! And Kristen will show you on how to do this. It's easy peasy. And I have fond memories of my mom. When I had a boutique in early days in Port-Louis, Pierrot, it was called Pierrot. And when I visited home, I always brought her a design and my parents were very proud of me. It was really cute. And my mother would always model it with the shoes and the earrings, and she was always very proud to show it. But then she would say, come to my closet and tell me what should I wear with what. So I remember it so fondly. I have such good memories of this. We would sit on our bed and I would say this and this with what. And then she would say, write it down. And she would have a list in her wardrobe on the door with all the outfits we put together. Sadly, she got Alzheimer and she went into a care home, but the list went with her and I updated it. And the nurses who looked after her always said to me that was so helpful because she wanted to look good, always very vain. She was very vain and she wanted to look good. So they went by the list. So now we don't have to write lists anymore. We can do it on our phone. I hope this was helpful for you and you liked it. I am going to tell you to keep an eye out for the Siska. We're having a video come out tomorrow for Siska. It's the spring summer. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna love it. And then Osayanku, a new other segment with Osayanku coming this week. So keep your eyes out. Well, I thought this was very cozy and lovely. I had a great time tippy talking, and I hope you enjoyed it. And keep on coming with your questions. We've got a few lined up for next week, but I can maybe answer a few questions like I did today in one video. As always, lovelies, keep on smiling.